Welcome back, everybody. This is Eli from MK3 Supra. Just wanted to say, first of all, thank you guys so much for the support on that first video. Holy crap, that was shot just on a whim and just to kind of have fun, as I stated before, and you guys really responded really nicely to that, so thank you so much. I've talked to a lot of you guys, had some great ideas and some great feedback on that, so honestly that means a lot. So there's something there. So we're just going to go ahead and keep going on as I continue to buy certain things for the car. I'll bring you along and show you some updates. So I did do some shopping, which I'm excited to share. Got a couple things that the car needed that I'll show you. One of them is from Nightrun Garage. Actually, two of the things that I got. But today I just wanted to do a quick install. It's a little bit late. It's freezing cold here in Tampa Bay. It's like 62 degrees. I know you guys don't know what that life is like, but for us Floridians, that's cold. So one thing that was missing that was bugging me that the guys there had is a battery hold down kit that is missing on my car. You can see there. All right. I should also probably change that battery. It's green, I don't like that, but yeah, let me know what you think about that. I don't know why that bothers me, but maybe I'll get a OEM Toyota one. So anyway, I got the battery hold down from the boys over there at Nightrun Garage, and here it is. It finally came in. Actually, it was really quick. I shouldn't say finally. So super excited about that. I also got something else that I'll show you a little bit later, but today I'm just going to focus on installing that and showing you what that process is like. It should take probably a few minutes, which means that knowing me, it might take a little bit more, but super simple install. I'm going to show you what it looks like before and after. So as you've seen before in the other video, here's my engine bay. Pretty simple, but I think I am going to have to get rid of this green battery. It's going to pain about. But so as you can see, here are a couple things. This is missing. There should be a hold down here because the battery does move freely. Not good, right? So I'm going to go ahead and open up this kit. It should be all OEM Toyota parts. They're nice enough to put in a kit for us and sell it to us at a decent price. So let's get started. All right, so here is my box of goodies. And check this out. I thought this was a nice touch. Thank you for the order, the Nightrun Garage team. That's so cool, man. Little things like that I really appreciate. It doesn't take them but a few seconds to do, but pretty nice touch. Thank you guys for that. So in the box, I've already unpackaged this. I haven't opened the actual product, but here's the kit that I was telling you about. As you can see, you've got a bolt, got the actual tie down itself, and the long piece here that'll go and secure that to the chassis. So super stoked about that. And inside, for the next video, we've got our H4 halogen light conversion kit. Super excited about that. But yeah, so that's what's in the package there. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, grab my tools, and then we'll get started. All right, now we're talking. I definitely, I'm glad that I redid that. So I've got it basically tight. Doesn't need to be torqued down or anything, but yep, we're good there. Being careful not to hit the headlight. There we go. That feels good. There, that's good. So now, as you can see, it's on. Nice, I like it. I gotta get rid of that green. But nice and stable. This battery is not going anywhere. So yeah, there she is, guys. All right, guys, well, that wraps it up. I know it wasn't the most exciting video, but you know, my goal was to just share a lot more Mark III content, and this is a pretty cool part that I found from those guys at Nightrun Garage. So give them a shout, check them out. Hopefully you like this. If there's anything else you guys want to see, please continue to comment. I really appreciate that. And looking forward to do the headlight conversion next, which I picked up from them. So I'll put the description for them below, or their website for this part. And hopefully you guys check them out and support them. So until the next time, guys, thanks.